All right, y'all. I'm fixing to start working again. It's 5.5 days and counting. Well, it's actually 1:30. At this little panoramic view of where I'm at right here. Hey, I'm not the richest person in the world, but guess what? I'm a little happy. It's all right. And this is where we're fixing to work right here. I'm gonna unload that little bad boy, and we're gonna look inside that one. That is the one that I took out of that bay and stuck on it. It like broke my back. This one I was sitting on top of the big tank. I had to take it off the big tank, and that's what. It was fun. Y'all went with me. All right. Anyway, let's see if you focused up and all that. Hey, I kind of like my little camp. We do yard selling. The let's reuse good stuff. And I got a pretty cool little tripod right here. It wasn't even a buck, really. That's nice. I need to get my truck over here. Get this power box up in here. Everything is right here in my way. Oh, hey, I got figs too, by the way. This daggum thing put out figs. It was hard to believe, but it did. I don't even know if you can see over there. Let me get my truck over here so I'll move some of this out of the way. Get that tank out, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I might just end up pulling that thing. Who knows? You never know. I might just pull it out the front side and then drag it around here. I have to move everything. I can probably pull it with the power pole on there. I'll screw up my that's the lid. Lid to that tank. Man, they were heavy. You put this 3/4 inch plywood on top of this little bad boy. And when I got there, I didn't know. I wasn't thinking that they threw everything inside this tank here and then set it up on top, and then filled it full. I moved that thing full of lumber. I peeled the whole outside of it off on one side. They was probably laughing at me too, and he ain't looked inside yet. Man, but this one right here that I'm fixing food with now, it was up inside the bay on one of the boat ramps. Dry dock. Man, I took everything I had to move it. Bush hog, everything here works. This is a tin system I got right here. It's it was a portable paint booth, really. The guy who used to paint his truck, I even seen the truck. He did a pretty good job with it. Threw it up, used it one day, and took it back down. So I know I'm going to be in a desperate situation wanting something to cover this stuff. Hey, it'll good work for temporary use. Cover my pump, my children, and my pump. Well, I'm going to stretch it all out here. Take there, dude. And put it together. There'll do an adventure. That guy, he got a lot of wheel horse stuff over there. But it's not something that I can use. Not for the price. If he'd trade and barter, I'd trade and barter with him, but I can't just buy out something that it might not ever get fixed. I got a wheel horse handle right around back there anyway already. Rear end. Make it back to work. Blue, I need to get Blue over here and clean that gas tank out. Little old trailer, I'm gonna put that trailer to work. Put Angela in the trailer to work, and man, I have it made. Hold on. Up there. Oh, look at there. That's a fig. I kid you not. That is a fig. Look. They were just as sweet as could be when I harvested them the first time, and well, this is weird. I mean, probably about a month ago they just popped out on me again. I thought, wow. But I'm not really complaining about that. I mean, I'm getting food. So you know, all you others out there, you know where I'm at. You gonna come see me? The end of the world happens. I'm prepping the best I can prep. And if you ain't got nothing, well, come on. We'll make it work. See what I'm doing, though. It's called labor. You better be willing to help me a little bit. I do. I have a perfect place right here. And if it did come to pass that something like that happened, I know Charles would come back. He would come down because he knows that right in the back, there's a creek. We got deer. Well, I've got so many deer that come up here every night. We're feeding them. And we're feeding them. I'm not like telling her why I'm all good for the feeding and thing, but hey, I'm keeping them close. Yep. Just in case. Alright, it never hurts. You never know. But I got a whole herd of deer. No joke. And it looks like I'm gonna have fruit. Yeah, I'm gonna have some fruit. Oh, no. That and that fire pole together. No. I can't even hardly pick the power pole up. Oh, man. That's got the lid. Man, hold on. I got to use a little Joe get around here again. The bottom of it's about tore out. It's so strong. I need to flip it over. Or lay it on its side and push it back. Let it back that way and push it. Lay it this way, but the damn lid's not going to work. We'll see. I probably made a mistake putting this one here first. That's the way it is, though. Hey, my little indoor stuff's still working really good too. All my bell peppers, they come back. They got frostbite and they came back. Oh my God. now it's about to slip right up in there and just push it a little bit. Not gonna happen. Can I stand it? Another fish. Dangest thing I ever seen in my life. See if I can't stand this thing up. Get it moving. Well, no, I ain't going for it. Get it out like two. Alright. Might not be able to, I don't know. Look at the building. No. Well, alrighty. Come on, Joe. Alrighty now. Alright, let's look at this one right here. There you go. It's just gonna pop right off there anyway. Alright. So, let's see what we got going on here. I get this and ready to pressure wash out and clean that too. Oh yeah, she did fine. Oh yeah, we are good to go. Fix that there, and it's all good. I'm gonna take all this off. That shit, you know, hell. And take and pull these corners around and everything. Make it work. Good God Almighty, just that piece of plywood right there is just heavy. Oh Lord, it's heavy. All right, y'all. There you go. I'm doing it. Here it is. This is December the 15th and counting. We're on the countdown. Yeah, y'all enjoy. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that other good stuff. Bye. Peace.